Welcome to this video on YouTube niches with the highest CPM. As a content creator, you want to know which niches can generate the most revenue per thousand views. In this video, we will go over 5 niches that can bring you the highest CPM on YouTube. Finance and investing. If you have knowledge about personal finance and investing, you can create content around these topics. Advertisers are willing to pay high CPM rates for ads on videos related to finance and investing because they want to reach a financially literate audience. Finance and investing videos can range from $5 to $25 or more per thousand views. Technology. The technology niche is one of the most popular and fastest growing niches on YouTube. Tech videos have a high engagement rate, and companies are willing to pay top dollar to get their products in front of tech-savvy audiences. CPM for technology videos can range from $3 to $20 or more per thousand views. Gaming. Gaming is a huge industry, and it's no surprise that gaming content creators can make a lot of money from their videos. With the rise of esports and the popularity of online gaming, advertisers are willing to pay high CPM rates to reach a younger, engaged audience. The CPM for gaming videos can range from $5 to $20 or more per thousand views. Beauty and fashion. The beauty and fashion niche has always been popular on YouTube, and it's a great niche to create content around if you have a passion for makeup, skincare, or fashion. Advertisers are willing to pay high CPM rates for ads on videos related to beauty and fashion because they want to reach a primarily female audience. The CPM for beauty and fashion videos can range from $10 to $30 or more per thousand views. Health and fitness. With the rise of fitness influencers and the popularity of health and wellness content, the health and fitness niche is a great niche to create content around. Advertisers are willing to pay high CPM rates for ads on videos related to health and fitness because they want to reach an audience that values health and wellness. The CPM for health and fitness videos can range from $5 to $20 or more per thousand views. In conclusion, these are the top niches that can bring you the highest CPM on YouTube. Of course, there are other niches that can generate high CPM rates, but these are the most popular ones. If you have a passion for any of these niches, you should consider creating content around them. Remember, creating quality content that resonates with your audience is the key to success on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.